Hey everyone! We all know that ChatGPT is an AI-powered technology for natural language processing that allows human-like conversations. So I'm excited to share with you 50 clever SEO prompts for ChatGPT that will help you step up your search engine optimization game. Using these prompts will enable you to produce high-quality content that will boost your websites and your company's search engine rankings. So let's get started and explore how ChatGPT can assist you in improving your SEO. Hello, and welcome to the Premium Tech Guide. I'm Rebecca. Before beginning this tutorial, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share it with your friends and family. First, we need to open ChatGPT. Now I am using ChatGPT 4. You can use GPT 3.5. Then, we must apply a special creative prompt for SEO. I'm using a prompt right now that declares generate a list of related keywords for topic. Change any variables enclosed by square brackets topic. Now I use digital marketing topics, also can use any topics. Guys, look, keyword generated instantly. Lots of unique keywords. Guys, check the video description for 50 plus unique ChatGPT SEO prompts. Guys, listen, also you can find here short tail keywords. Now let's see what happens. Guys, we can generate a list of keywords that people ask about it. Now let's see what happens. Guys, we can also quickly identify hashtag-related topic keywords.